Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Health and Lifestyle. Today I'm preparing chicken. I've already seasoned the chicken as usual. That's it. It's still boiling up. And we have this also zucchini, and I would finish up with this. We're still there now. So I'm steaming as usual. I will see you in 20 minutes time. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's boiling. And I don't like my but this has to boil. Zucchini has to boil properly. And the chicken, let's see what's happening here. Let's see what's happening here. Okay. Okay, I had some seasoning and I add some curry. It's a curry chicken. That's why you have the yellow taste. It's curry chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the chicken now. Okay, that's it. I finished. I served it. That's the chicken. I had some tomatoes, and that's the vegetable, and that's the basil. This is the basil I took from the garden, the one I planted in the other video, and that's it. So, bon appetito.